The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Vigo County until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Denison, or 7 miles west of Terre Haute, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near West Terre Haute around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Indiana State University around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Terre Haute and North Terre Haute around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sellaville around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fontenette around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 1 and 16. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Vigo, Indiana,